Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John, John Restoration of Virginia Beach. Got another one of them Dodge Chargers for you. This one belongs to a female by the name of Najma in a Change Lanes Virginia Beach chapter. It came in all black and she had pink vinyl stickers on it. She wanted to take the vinyl off and get everything painted and then add the yellow for a little more accent. But if you look on Facebook.com/JohnsRestoration2, you'll see the before pictures where this side of the car was side swiped and that back rear suspension was damaged real bad. So my body man Abner changed the suspension, and then he also did the body work. As y'all can see, those are the same doors. He did the body work on these doors. And it's kind of hard with these doors on the new Chargers because of them unique body lines in it. But as you can see, the car is back. It's a little gloomy outside, but the car has red and silver flakes in it. We also did it on the hood as well. And all this is paint, no stickers. All paint. She really wanted this one with like the subtle look. She didn't want to be too outgoing with this one, so this one is sort of subtle. And like I said, this is a female's vehicle. Y'all can see the wet look. It was wet sand and buffed out. Another one of these vehicles running around with that John's Restoration logo. Once again, shout out to Changing Lanes. John's Restoration. We located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. The address is 5716 Princess Anne Road. We're gonna walk over to a couple of more real sneak peeks of stuff that already been out. This is that Dodge Avenger that belongs to Janelle. Y'all see it, John Restoration. Got my son up here at the shop. Y'all already know his vehicle, the Hawaiian Punch Charger. This one's already been out, but we doing the interior right now. Got the Betty Boop charger. We're in the mix of doing the interior on this one. Sneak peek of that Trix Caprice coming out. Y'all stay tuned. John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277. Give us a call for auto body work, paint, whether it's factory or custom, interior, stereos, rims, tires, and we offer government and military financing as well. You can also log on to facebook.com/JohnsRestoration2.